Hello, my dear English learners. This is Alia Mehar, and I want to speak to you from my heart for a few minutes before we start day 9. I need you to listen slowly and really feel these words, because what I'm about to say can change the way you learn English and the way your life moves forward. First, I see you. I see the small, brave steps you take, opening this video, pressing play, deciding to practice even when you feel tired or nervous. That choice you make again and again is the single most important thing. It's not talent, luck, or perfect pronunciation that wins. It's showing up. If you keep showing up, I promise you, your English will change. Now, why today's lesson, health and the doctor, matters so much. Imagine a moment when words are everything. You feel sick. You need help. In that moment, English is not a school subject. It is your bridge to care, comfort, and understanding. When you know simple, clear sentences like, I have a fever, or I need to see a doctor, you give yourself safety and dignity. That is powerful. Learning these sentences is not a trivial exercise. It is preparation for real life. Let me talk about shadowing, because this method is the quiet secret behind fast progress. Shadowing is not repeating like a parrot. It is training your ears, your mouth, and your thinking to work together in English. When you shadow, you are building 3 things at once: listening skill, pronunciation muscle memory, and the habit of thinking in English instead of translating in your head. That's why I ask you to repeat after me, to match my rhythm and tone, to speak out loud. Small, repeated sounds become words. Words become sentences. Sentences become your voice. From every angle, practical, emotional, social, and neurological, shadowing helps. Practically, you learn phrases you will use in real situations. Asking for help, describing symptoms, giving directions. Emotionally, speaking in English builds confidence. Each successful sentence makes you braver next time. Socially, language connects you with people, with doctors, nurses, friends, and strangers who can help. Neurologically, repetition trains your brain. The same way athletes repeat drills, your mouth and ears learn the shape of English words. Over time, your brain stops translating and starts responding. That is fluency. I also want to remind you of one truth. Slow English is not a weakness, it's your power. Speak slowly, clearly, and with feeling. When you speak slowly, you think more carefully. You choose better words and people understand you. Speed will come later. Start with clarity, because clarity opens doors. If you ever feel shy or afraid, know that I feel that too sometimes. I used to freeze before speaking. But promise me this, when fear comes, you will still speak one sentence. One sentence becomes 2. 2 becomes a paragraph. Paragraphs become conversations. Don't let fear win. One more moment. You have a whole community here, thousands of learners. And every time you try, someone else gets courage to try too. How to use this video to get real results. Practical steps right now. Sit up straight, breathe, and speak out loud. Don't whisper. Match my voice. After I say a sentence, pause, then say it yourself, twice. Match the intonation, copy the mouth shape if you can, and slow down. If possible, record your voice on your phone and listen. You will notice progress fast. Do this for 10 minutes today and 10 minutes again tomorrow. Small daily practice stacks into big change. Listen carefully. Stay with the whole video. Why? Because the first sentences warm your mouth. The middle sentences build your confidence. The last part teaches you how to use the sentences in real moments. If you stop early, you miss the most important connections. Promise yourself. Watch till the end. Watch again tomorrow. Repetition is not boring. It is your superpower. Please do one simple thing for our community before we begin. Write in the comments the single short sentence, "I will practice today." That tiny commitment makes learning real. When you write it, you share your promise with others, and you make it more likely you will keep it. I read your comments. I celebrate every small step. And if you find value here, please subscribe and press the bell. Why? Because this journey is daily. When you subscribe, you build habit. You don't have to remember to come back. I will meet you every day, and together we will not stop. Take a deep breath with me now. Inhale. Exhale. Smile. Say quietly to yourself, "I can do this." Good. Hold that feeling. Keep it with you as we begin day 9. I am proud of you. I believe in you, and I will speak with you every step of the way. Now, let's start. Slowly, clearly, and together. Sentence 1. I don't feel well. Repeat. I don't feel well. Sentence 2. I need to see a doctor. Repeat. I need to see a doctor. Sentence 3. I have a headache. Repeat. I have a headache. Sentence 4. My throat hurts. Repeat. My throat hurts. Sentence 5. I have a fever. Repeat. I have a fever. Amazing English learners. You have already spoken 5 real-life sentences. Think about it. If you can explain these small health problems in English, you can survive in any country. You are not just repeating words. You are preparing yourself for real situations. Stay strong. Keep your energy up, and let's keep going. You are doing incredible. Sentence 6. I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired. Sentence 7. I need some medicine. Repeat. I need some medicine. Sentence 8. Can you help me? Repeat. Can you help me? Sentence 9. I have a cough. Repeat. I have a cough. Sentence 10. I have a stomach ache. Repeat. I have a stomach ache. Well done. 10 sentences already. This is not just practice. This is progress. You are becoming unstoppable. Sentence 11. I don't feel strong today. Repeat. I don't feel strong today. Sentence 12. I need to rest. Repeat. I need to rest. Sentence 13. My back hurts. Repeat. My back hurts. Sentence 14. I feel dizzy. Repeat. I feel dizzy. Sentence 15. I need water, please. Repeat. I need water, please. Fantastic job, English learners! You've practiced 15 powerful sentences. Imagine standing in front of a doctor. You will no longer stay silent. You will no longer feel nervous. You can explain, you can ask, you can express. That is the power of shadowing. Keep your shoulders straight, smile and feel proud. You are changing your future with every word. Sentence 16. I need to make an appointment. Repeat. I need to make an appointment. Sentence 17. The pain is strong. Repeat. The pain is strong. Sentence 18. The pain is light. Repeat. The pain is light. Sentence 19. I feel better now. Repeat. I feel better now. Sentence 20. I feel worse today. Repeat. I feel worse today.
Sentence 21. I need to go to the hospital. Repeat. I need to go to the hospital. Sentence 22. Please call the nurse. Repeat. Please call the nurse. Sentence 23. I need a checkup. Repeat. I need a checkup. Sentence 24. Can you give me some advice? Repeat. Can you give me some advice? Sentence 25. I need a prescription. Repeat. I need a prescription. Sentence 26. How long will it take? Repeat. How long will it take? Sentence 27. Can I take this medicine with food? Repeat. Can I take this medicine with food? Sentence 28. I feel much better now. Repeat. I feel much better now. Sentence 29. Thank you for helping me. Repeat. Thank you for helping me. Sentence 30. I will take care of my health. Repeat. I will take care of my health. Bravo, English learners! You did it! You practiced 30 life-saving sentences for health and the doctor. Just think about it. With these sentences, you can explain how you feel, ask for help, and understand the doctor's advice. That means safety, confidence, and independence wherever you are in the world. Here's your homework. Write in the comments one simple sentence. Today I am healthy and I am grateful. This will not only give you writing practice, but also remind you to value your health. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss day 10. Watch this video again tomorrow. The more you repeat, the faster you grow. Stand tall, smile, and say it with me. I am learning. I am improving. I am succeeding. You are not just practicing English. You are building a future. If you are new, go back and watch day 1 to day 8. Don't miss any part of this challenge. Every video is like a brick, and together they are building your fluency wall. And finally, come back tomorrow for day 10. Each day is a step closer to the confident English speaker you dream to be. Don't stop now. You are almost halfway through the challenge. I believe in you. Keep practicing, keep shining, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 10 of our challenge.